As you can see, I am so excited. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is the first ever unboxing video on this channel. I have never unboxed any item as a full video on this channel since I created this channel. By the thumbnail of this video, you already know what I'm about to unbox. Drum rolls. Your girl just got a new iPad. This is the iPad M3 Air 2025, and I'm going to be getting into all of those details later. But I just want to say this has been on my wish list for the longest time, and I'm so happy that I was able to give this for myself as a late birthday gift. So my birthday was in May, but I got this in July, and yeah, I'm so excited, and I really want to show you guys what's inside. I got some other accessories, and yeah, let's get right into the unboxing. Also, twinning, yeah, it was planned. We're twinning today. So I got the iPad Air 11-inch M3 Wi-Fi only 7th gen, and I decided to get this iPad so that I could use it to edit like my longer form videos and reply mails, basically as my work tool. Yes, I have a MacBook, but I usually just use my MacBook for research and for watching movies. Honestly, I really don't use my MacBook, but I feel like I'm going to be using this iPad for a very long time, and it's going to really serve me well. So yeah. So when I got this MacBook, I realized that I should have gotten a bigger sized one in terms of storage space. This MacBook has a storage, oh my god, I said MacBook. This iPad has a storage of 128 gigabytes, and thinking about it now, I should have gotten something bigger because of my editing. I should have gotten like 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes, but not to worry, I have external storage. That's not even an issue. One thing I love about this iPad is how sleek it is. I love how lightweight it is also, and very portable. I wanted the color purple or starlight, but it wasn't available when I went to pick this up, so I had to go with space gray. But not to worry, I bought like iPad covers to cover it up, so yeah. So I also got a stylus pen. I decided not to get the Apple Pencil because I couldn't just justify the price point to myself. And guess what? I got this pencil, or rather stylus pen, off Temu for just, I think, 7,000 naira. I'm not very sure of the exact price, but I know it was not up to 8,000 naira, and I'm going to convert that to US dollars here. And it came with a manual. And honestly, I was skeptical about buying it because I wasn't sure if it would work for my own iPad, because they wrote like some selected models and my iPad was not amongst. But I just took a chance because it wasn't very expensive, and let me tell you, it's been working perfectly. The battery lasts for so long. I'm even surprised at this point. I've used it to edit a bunch of videos and it's still like working perfectly. You can use it to write, you can use it to type. Honestly, it was such a good buy. Don't worry, I'll be linking it in the description box if you would like to get it. Also came with its own charger. Honestly, a good buy, honestly. Next, I got some iPad covers. So I got 2 different types of covers in 2 different colors. I wanted something more busy, but I just couldn't find something not too busy for me. Everything was overly busy on the extreme side. So I got this particular black iPad cover from a vendor on Instagram here in Nigeria, and I liked it because of the matte feel. It was giving like business vibes. So if I wanted to take it to work, I was going to a lecture or school or anything, I would go with this iPad cover. It came with some covers for the camera space in case you have like 2 different types of iPad. So I'm guessing one is for like an iPad Air and one is for an iPad Pro. so obviously you know the one I'm going to use. This is how it looks like, and I love this one because it rotates easily and you can use it on your table. Like, it will stand on its own with the tab on it. Guys, if you're doing like professional work, you're typing, you're editing, and you don't want to be on your bed, you can just put this on your table. You can even put it on your bed. It's going to sit on your bed. This is how it looks like, and I'm so obsessed with it. I got this pink, you know, for the girlies. This one is more silicone like. Honestly, it's just silicone, to be honest. It's very light, very, I don't know if it's even going to last, but I liked the color and I liked how, you know, soft and cute and feminine it looks. And this one, I'll be using it for like my regular outings, cafe dates, meeting with the girls. I could even take it to like creative shoots and all of that events. So I got this for that particular purpose. And so far, I haven't even used it, honestly. I've been using the black one because I've been doing a lot more editing right now than any other thing. So when I'm like trying to do my entertainment and the rest, this is what I'll use. Also has a very nice space for my pencil. Also, the black one too has a nice space. And honestly, it was such a good buy. This cost about 11,000 naira, if I'm sure, if I can recall properly. Yeah, and this black one cost about 25,000 naira only. Yeah, so obviously I got the pink one from Temu. It was way cheaper on Temu. In fact, I saw this black one on Temu, but I wasn't so sure then, and I got it after. set up my iPad, and it is currently set up, but I need to charge it for a bit before I start using it. I have downloaded some apps. You saw me downloading some apps, but so far so good. I am so in love with my new iPad. I'm definitely going to be doing more editing on this iPad. I already love the interface. I love the colors. I love everything about it. So thank you for watching my video. If you're new here, if you're not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button so you don't miss my future uploads. I post vlogs, I post beauty content, I do a little bit of chit chat, and maybe I'll start posting more unboxing videos. I've also put the links to the items I got off Temu in the description box, so make sure you go check it out if you want to get any of those items, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.